Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where we make navigating your favorite apps a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to delete a message in Reddit, step by step. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more guides like this. Let's get started with the process. Step 1. First, take your phone in hand and launch the Reddit app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're in, glance at the bottom of your screen for the chat icon, represented by a speech bubble. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 3. You'll now be presented with a list of conversations. Scroll through and select the conversation containing the message you wish to delete by tapping on the user's profile picture. Step 4. Find the specific message you want to delete. Press and hold the message until additional options appear. Step 5. Among the options, look for the Delete Message button. It should be visible now. Step 6. To finalize the deletion, tap on the Delete Message button. A prompt will ask for confirmation. Tap Yes, Delete to confirm your action. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a message in Reddit. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.